Hey y'all, what's up? So I did not record the first half of my travel because honestly I was in a rush, but y'all, I'm almost to Mexico. I'm waiting on my flight to board from Atlanta. Then we will be at our destination because we is in this together. I'm traveling by myself to get with my friends. So far so good. I'm just ready to get there for real. Yeah, I went to sleep. My first flight, I went to sleep soon as I sat down and they buckled up and they were like, the flight about to take off. Baby, your girl was not that. I was said I was gonna try to stay up, but I ain't gonna try to stay up. Baby, I'm gonna sleep on this flight too. I can't do nothing on the computer, nothing like that. I'm sad. I need a little power nap, need to power up before I get there, but I'm gonna make my intro when I look cute and stuff. When I make my intro, I ain't gonna look like this. With this neck pillow on, this mask and stuff. But yeah, so I'm just waiting. I'll see y'all on the airplane and in Cancun. So yeah, I am here. These shoes so loud. But anyways, I'm here. There's the toilet. Yeah, I can't give y'all like a formal room tour because honey, they was already in here. This is the tub. This is cute. I'm assuming this is the shower. Okay, shower. Yeah, it's a swim up, but honestly, I will show y'all that tomorrow. Wait, let me see if I can get in. Yeah, I'm gonna have to show y'all in the morning. This right here. Yeah, I am so freaking hungry. But I'm gonna go out here with them. See what's percolating. I got on the same thing I traveled in. The only thing I did was switch shoes. I should have got a smaller size than these. But it's okay. But let me use the bathroom, then I'm gonna go. Yeah, I was starving, so I just had to come in and order me something straight up. They trying to get me drunk already. I'm not gonna happen. It's you talking about what's up, YouTube? Oh, I don't know. Shit. That shrimp sauce good? Decent. Huh? It's decent. Is that shit? Yes, they did. Wow. They said they had to go. They really did. So we ordered 6 shots, but y'all got 2.
still behind.
Girl, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait on the right.
More tequila. Margarita. Margarita.
Can you take this? Thank you.
Here you go. We're gonna wait till you go. Taste it with the lemonade. It's just lemonade.
Yeah, it's real sweet.
Cheers.
Wait. Kiara and CC take your shot, right?
What they doing?
They got my. They 2 down.
Oh, they shot.
Wait, but why I still got one in? Okay, well, Key, it's your birthday, so you take one with 2.
Wait, no, I'm not cheers with y'all.
Yeah.
It's your birthday.
Cheers.
Cheers. How about you something into this?
It's not. Let's go. Y'all got one more. Yeah, that's it. Take the other one, Ty.
It's my birthday.
Oh yeah, you should have took that third shot. Yeah, we gonna fuck you up. Sorry. It's a little more in that glass. Look, it's a little more in that glass. Both of them. 4 and 1. Tilt it over.
She still got some more.
Oh my goodness, I didn't even see that.
Y'all should be there now. That's in there.
But you gotta get some time.
Please give me some time.
What's Dylan Instagram?
So y'all, I just got here. I done took like 4 shots. Almost drunk a whole drink.
Go.
I'm done.
Go.
Can you stop lying?
Go.
It ain't good, right?
Look, I'm done. Please leave me alone.
One more cup, good.
And that's watered down.
Drink it all on camera.
Right.
I do.
Drink it all on camera.
Play with that food, eat that food.
I do. You need to eat that food. No, you should never order none of that food.
That shit was good as fuck.
It's the birthday girl.
Last week was where can we get fries?
This is Tay. This is Ty. This is Cece. And this is DJ. This DJ. Tay, put on your cute face.
Put your shades on.
Hold up. Because I thought put
Y'all, she said I ain't put on a cute face. Put on your cute face.
Yeah. Ooh. Period.
Yeah. She plays too much. Here you go, Ty. Put on your cute face.
get up. You don't want me to get up now.
No, I don't want you to get up. It's okay. Hey! It ain't even no music. I don't understand what she was dancing to. Y'all, low key, I can't see. When I can't see, that means I'm fucked up. How are you? Caesar. Hey, Caesar. I'm good, Caesar. What's that Quavo? Oh, yeah, I think it's so good. Y'all went drinking out now.
You making it up. So I'm not getting back up. Hey, I'm not taking a shot with y'all.
How about that?
Because if they did say something, they already know. Chitty chitty bang bang, motherfucker. Let me put on my goddamn. Okay. Gang gang. I'm just kidding, y'all. We're not in the gang. Turn it down. Can I get a what this is? They gave a nigga a shot of water. It's the no.
This is that water. They said, I don't know about y'all, but we ain't gonna keep living in the past. I got hell no. Hell out here. Never know Jesus. Hell out here.
Y'all ready?
You see shit.
Don't do this.
CC, I don't want to see you pour your shot and nobody else.
I've been drinking all that shot.
Wait, this was water. That water ain't with the water though. You tried it. You tried it. That bitch said, hold on, you tried it. Yeah.
Right button. So y'all, this is the swim-up pool during the day. Good morning, y'all. It is now Friday the 20th, which is my cousin's actual birthday. And we are getting ready to go to breakfast. I just did a little light beat. Just some little bit of eyebrows, nothing major. I think I fucked up on my eyebrows, honestly. No, they look pretty decent. So, a little bit of eyebrows, a little bit of tinted moisturizer, and we done for the day. As far as face is concerned, then I need to do my hair. I don't know how I want to do my hair today, but I'm about to go in there and do my hair and stuff. Yeah, I feel so good here. And I don't know if it's because it's so early in the morning, but it feels so freaking good. I see y'all when we eating breakfast and on the boat. Yeah, this is my outfit for today. What is it? Let the day begin, y'all. Starting off with mimosa, something like while we get breakfast. Y'all, they keep like all the lights dim, so bear with me. Bear with me. I'm next to go to the buffet. But y'all, so far, I hate this glare that's going on. So far, everything has been great, amazing. Last night, I tapped out early. But they only made it to like 12 o'clock. They had like they was out till 6 in the morning. Girl, it was 12 o'clock.
At motherfucking 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock.
That's cute. I just need some hot water. Yes. Thank you.
Yeah, can't even see this. Hold on.
Okay, how much we owe Craig? I mean, how we doing this? What we gotta do? 189, either me or Craig. Let's see, cash or card.
Give me the cash for the wear ring.
You gonna have to, I mean, I guess it's today,
Yeah, we just got on the boat.
We can do a shot too. We can do shots too.
That was not no level. Wait, y'all
to you, bitch. Can't see JoJo. Every day, I go to the moon. All my niggas keep up in the room. Most of my niggas done got a few stains. But it might be skinny, yeah. Bustin' chicks, it's the name of the girl.
DJ, don't take your ass over there. Hell no.
You sure you gonna make it? Every time you get up.
She on my bed. Oh, I wasn't even recording.
Yeah, so we at the top of our yacht chilling. Passport be like, I need to get me a drone.
Lay back, kick up the seat, turn up the beat. I'm pen, paper, give it one sheet.
They trying to get killed.
Checking out for the girl checking alcohol.
No,
Am I
we're
right or
not.
am I right?
You're wrong.
We got a big time pool party over here for I got a sticky icky. Big time pool party.
Y'all, they trying to sell us drugs. He talking about I got the sticky icky.
He would show you. Matos locos forever.
Whatever he just said.
She's telling me you guys want to eat something.
Yeah,
We're going to the seafood spot. We got hookah bar. We got AC inside. And we got Mexican food as well in that exact same restaurant. If you want, we can go and check it out real quick. Show you the menu right across the street. There isn't anything over there, especially if you guys want to eat. Like I was telling everybody, if you're trying to get something to eat, we got seafood, Mexican food, and a hookah spot, all in one same spot, right across the street. If you want, we can go take a look. If you want to stay, you stay. If you don't, no worries. But that way, there's no more restaurants, there's no food, there's nothing over there.
Where can we go next?
Yeah, but you got Hooters back home. Come on now, you ain't trying to sit
Where can we buy that?
over here on this side on the hallway.
What's the name of it?
We can go check it out. Come through. I'm not charging you for the information. Come through, man.
They got a lot of ass. First of all, did y'all hear Buddy talking about he got the sticky icky?
Yeah.
Talking about he got the sticky icky.
We about to get ready and go to our dinner reservations. I just did me a little bun. And this is what I'm wearing. Fashion over top. American Eagle skirt. Jessica Simpson slides. This shit is... Oh, sorry.
Show us my name is Tay Bosnia. Girl, stop looking at me how I'm walking. Hello. I ain't gonna lie.
Hey y'all, so we at another room about the pregame. I'm probably gonna be able to play all this because the music in the background. But in my mind, this one thing I know I can order, and I fuck with it.
I'm exhausted. You know, can't win. Can't lose to that. I might get a little more. Give me.
Oh yeah, come on y'all, pace.
Oh yeah, we got.
Hey, you gotta face her. I told you.
Yeah, she look like.
She ain't no love.
All right,
Yeah, a lot of lightweight.
Let's just at least get to the club so that we can say we win, okay?
Leave. Yeah, leave. Get that head.
Ow. This when we was on the couch and Byron told us to sit down.
Sierra, like club God say,
Hey.
poke it out.
I ain't gay, but I let a bitch eat me out. Ow.
We know.
Then leave. Hey.